What is up, guys, and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a makeup vanity tour slash like how I organize my makeup, what it's in, and how it's all laid out. I've had a couple people ask what that looked like, and so without further ado, here it is. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you like my video, hit the bell to be notified every time I post. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Let's just go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so here is my little setup. I just have a stool from Crate & Barrel, and then a desk from Target, and then my Impressions vanity mirror. Overall, the setup is not like the most glamorous, beautiful thing I have ever seen and you have ever seen, because vanities are expensive, mirrors are expensive, and this is my little starter situation I've got going on here. So this is where I film, this is where I get ready. Down there is my hair stuff, and then my full-length mirror over here. So let's just start off in this drawer, probably my favorite. It has all my eyeshadow palettes. I do have a few more like in my closet and whatnot, but these are all my eyeshadow palettes. We've got Anastasia, we've got Kylie, and then we've got some Morphe palettes. There's like 6 in there. We've got a couple glow kits. We've got Kylie and Anastasia again. Little Tarte palette, drugstore ones, Laura Lee, and then some Naked palettes, and then a MAC one that I created, and then my contour kit. So yeah, it goes back a little bit further than you can see. Obviously this is not what it's made for, but it works perfect for me, and I'm pretty happy with the setup right now. So that's how I have all of my eyeshadow palettes laid out. Shamelessly, I do have, you know, we're being real here, I've got dirty sponges on a sample like thing from Urban Decay, so whatever, that's that. I would love to get some like storage things for the beauty blenders, but that'll come. The day will come. So what I've got here is my main stuff, and here I have like my priming sprays and waters and whatnot, and then some setting sprays, and then I have my favorite lips, NARS, a Kylie one, and then I have my concealers, foundations, and then I have, this is a face gradual tanner, and then I have like the Too Faced lip injection, which honestly I don't use, but it's in here. Some cuticle trimmers, you know, just like the stuff that I'm going to be using every single day. I put it there, easy to get to, brow setter, all the things I love, and I need are right here, and they stay right there. Also back there, random lips, bunch more lips. I have got so much lipstick of, as you can see, like basically the same exact shade in every brand. So yeah, I have my favorites, but the 2 faves are over there, but I do have more, and then even more, I've got some glosses back there too. Okay, so over here I do have this acrylic organizer. There's 3 different you know, slots, and I forgot to mention that the last one with all my main stuff is also like an Amazon acrylic tray. I love them. They're very well priced, so if anyone wants a link, give me a comment and I can link those for you guys. So here I have got my face brushes. I've got like bronzing brushes, and then just like a clean blending one, blush brush. In the middle I do have all of my eyeshadow brushes. It's that time, they need to be clean, so sorry about that. Over here we've got highlighting brushes, ones that I'll use for concealer, and you know, just like little mini highlighting brushes. So yeah, that's the setup here. I love this thing. I think it's great to keep them separated because it's so annoying to go and like, you know, scrounge through all of that and trying to find exactly what you need. So love that. Okay, and then on to the main attraction is this guy. Has every single thing I need in it pretty much. Up here, can't really see it in this angle, but I do have what I had in my favorite videos. It's these little succulent lip balms. They're so cute, and I love having them on my vanity, and I do use them almost every day. So those are up there. I have like random lashes that I don't actually use. I have the Tatcha water cream that I got in one of my kits, and I really do love this thing. It's actually like, it goes on like regular moisturizer and then it turns into a water. It's pretty amazing, but I do love this guy. I've got a headband for keeping hair back when you're doing your makeup and hair, whatever you need it for. It's right up there, an everyday polished color. Neutrals are my favorite, so I have that. So up here I do have all of my eyebrow products. every single one I have, it's in here. Perfect. Anyway, over here I have primers. I've got like the silk canvas, I've got the Smashbox primer. These are more like gels and creams versus the sprays that are in my other guy. And then right here I do have my bronzers and my highlighters. So I've got like the Becca, I've got some MAC stuff, I've got the Hula Benefit, drugstore ones as well. This guy is really good. Love the color of it. I have like contouring sticks. So anything you need to be bronzed and glowy is in this drawer right here. Down here I have my mascaras right here, and then eyeliners. Move those over a little bit. My eyeliners, liquid and pencil, and then I have random lipsticks in here, like little mini ones that just didn't look right in the other organizers, so they're just chilling in there. And here I have Kylie stuff. Might as well be like half a Kylie drawer at this point. So I've got like loose glitters, all the different colors that I've shown you guys. I do have like a blue one, a gold one, eyeshadow stick, all over Body Glow from Kylie. Pretty nice. That was a horrible angle, but it's okay. I have some MAC eyeshadows, Urban Decay. It's just like loose eyeshadows that I don't always go for, but they're right there away from the palettes, so I don't lose them in the mess of everything. And here I have some setting powders. I've got the Laura Mercier and the Cover FX. Laura Mercier, I'm going to say, is quite a bit better. If you're gonna spend your money, spend it on this guy. I've got some little hair clips for when I'm doing my hair or whatever. I also have these, my fave hair ties. They're the best. Got a few in there if I need them for doing my hair or for the day. Tweezers. Yeah, this is just a sample of a cosmetics pressed powder. I really like it, so I think I'm gonna buy a big one. But yeah, that's that. This is what this guy looks like. This is what everything looks like. And yeah, I really do enjoy my setup right now. One day I'm sure that I'll upgrade to a bigger mirror, better shelves, but for now, this works for me. So aside from that, in my bathroom closet, I do have my old makeup organizer with some like extras and also stuff that I just don't use as much. I should probably go through this, but I haven't, so let's see what we've got in here. I've got extra eyeshadow primers, some extra eyeliner pencils, bunch of lips. This is a little primer, bunch of highlighting little testers, and then I have a pencil sharpener for the liners, eyeliners, random nail polish. This is an old bronzer that was my grandma's that I used, and I just can't get rid of it because sentimental makeup. And this guy, we have got the Essentials, an extra modern Renaissance palette, some pressed whitening strips for my teeth, moisturizers, extra setting sprays and priming sprays. These are like gold mine to me. Love these, love these, love these. Extra Aquaphor just in case you get burned. A couple stuff from Brittany to use. And then in here I've got, y'all know, you love makeup, you've got a bunch of these that you don't need unused. Little mirrors from Sephora. Maybe you use them. Shout out to you because I really should. We've got a bunch of blotting papers for the summertime. These are tan extender samples from when I worked at the tanning salon. Should probably use those when I do my tan, but you know, honestly don't even know who this is for. Probably expired. Let's throw that out. Or gel. We've got some hand sanitizer, some hair ties, hair clip, Tide to Go pen, chapstick, hair ties, you know, all that good stuff. Got some extra makeup wipes down there, and yeah, that's it for my extras. So thanks for watching, guys. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you liked, if you want to see more like this, if you want like rooms, whatever. This is a lifestyle and makeup page. I love all of it. So yeah, let me know. I'm thinking of also doing like a haul of all the clothes that I bought over quarantine. I also got in a new Tarte box with like a bunch of different products that I am planning on doing an unboxing for. I have not peeked at it yet. So let me know what you guys want to see, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.